Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the Cannizzaro reaction. For that, another one example I will give you that is very important for competitive exam. One time this question asked in the mains level. So now CH3 C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde react with formaldehyde. 3 moles. How many moles? 3 moles. In presence of dilute NaOH or KOH, then it gives one A compound. This A compound again react with the formaldehyde, then it gives, this is here concentrated NaOH. Then it gives the B compound. Then what are the A and B? Now this chapter we are discussing, that's why you may be identify which type of reaction. After completion of total syllabus, like this equation is given, then how to identify what is the here aldehyde? Which type of aldehyde this is? Functional group next carbon is alpha. Under hydrogen circle, alpha hydrogen contain aldehyde. This is no alpha hydrogen contain aldehyde. Then what type of reaction this is? Aldol reaction. It means self aldol or cross aldol or Cannizzaro reaction. This is cross aldol reaction. Why it is cross aldol means? In Cannizzaro reaction, compulsory requirement what is there? No alpha hydrogen aldehyde. But here one is no alpha is there, one is alpha is there. That's why both mixing what you call cross aldol reaction. Cross Cannizzaro reaction also is there. But for that both are required which one? No alpha hydrogen aldehydes are required. That's why this is which one? Cross aldol reaction. And here concentrated word given, here dilute word is given. Based on that also we can easily identify this which type of reaction. Dilute means aldol, concentrated means Cannizzaro. So based on that we can, if here 10% given, here 50% given, based on that also we can easily identify which type of reaction this is. Okay. Now, what is the A? I am writing here one of the hydrogen added to this O. Then it comes to which one? OH. See, CH. Then this will be converted into, see, this is CH2. CH2. This O and one hydrogen. OH. Here how many hydrogen left remaining? CH2. One hydrogen gone to here. Remaining what is there here? C double bond OH. One mole of aldehyde this is. One mole. Remaining how many moles are there? 2 moles. Then here one hydrogen, total 2 hydrogens are there. One hydrogen I am removing. Then this is CH2. This O. And here one hydrogen I remove. That hydrogen here. Clear is it? One more hydrogen is there and one more aldehyde is there. So this hydrogen I am removing here. CH2. CH2. This is CH2. O and one removed hydrogen. This is converted to OH. This is the A product. Now this is a functional group because this aldehyde, this is alcohol, alcohol, alcohol. When alcohol and aldehyde both are present, which is the first priority group? Aldehyde. This is the first priority group. Next carbon is alpha carbon. At alpha carbon, hydrogen is present? No. That's why this aldehyde is no alpha hydrogen aldehyde. What do you call this? Is no alpha hydrogen aldehyde. This is also which one? No alpha hydrogen aldehyde. So now which type of reaction this is? Cannizzaro reaction. Which Cannizzaro? Self or cross? Self meaning what is that? Same only. Here one, same or different is that? Different. Different means this is cross Cannizzaro reaction. When cross Cannizzaro reaction is there, then one is converted or self is there. One is converted to alcohol, another converted to their carboxylate. Now the question, which will convert into carboxylate, which will convert into alcohol, that is also question. Generally, I told you that formaldehyde easily donate this hydride. So, which is hydride donor, that will convert into carboxylate. So, here B plus C also given, because the reason is here we will get two products. One is alcohol, another is carboxylate. So, this will convert into H C double bond O minus Na is then Na right here. Okay, this is converted to carboxylate. Now, this is aldehyde converted which one? Alcohol. See, carefully observe. CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. This part also converted which one? CH2OH. Because this aldehyde part will convert to alcohol. This is in books like this represented. You know very well this is like this represented. Carbon bonded with 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, OH. Okay. This bond line rotation, this is with normal formula. Okay. This is the product. Very, very important this question. Competitive exam, one time this question is asked. Now, all types of reactions are completed. Now, we can go for electrophilic substitution reaction. Aliphatic reactions are completed. Some aromatic reactions we can discuss. Electrophilic reaction or electrophilic substitution reaction will be better. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction means one electrophile substitute the another electrophile. Nucleophilic substitution reaction meaning what is that? One nucleophile substitute the another nucleophile. Nucleophile can replace a nucleophile only, not the electrophile. That's why keep in mind same required. Nucleophilic substitution means nucleophile can substitute the another nucleophile. Electrophile can substitute the another electrophile, but not nucleophile can substitute the electrophile. Electrophile can substitute the nucleophile. That is not possible. Same replacer. Okay. Now we can discuss here based on the benzaldehyde. C double bond OH. This is benzene on this aldehyde group. This aldehyde group is electron withdrawing group or electron donor group to the benzene ring. You studied in the first year inductive effect, resonance effect, like studied. In that, some are electron withdrawing group, some are electron donor group. Donor group denoted with the positive sign, that is plus IE minus R plus R like is given. Minus meaning what is it? Electron withdrawing group, EWG, electron withdrawing group. These are electron withdrawing groups. Minus meaning. Plus meaning what is it? Electron donor group, EDG, electron donor group. Okay. So this group aldehyde is electron withdrawing group. Which one is electron withdrawing? Some example I will give here. NO2 electron withdrawing group, carboxylic acid electron withdrawing group, aldehyde electron withdrawing group, and ketone electron withdrawing group. Like so many other. Once revise your first year concept, then you will know that resonance. So when electron withdraws, it withdraws towards the carbon, not here. If it donate like this, it is donating to the benzene ring. So now when it shift like this pi bond shift toward the carbon. Then we will get here double bond. Already one bond is there. This bond will come here. Carbon O minus H. Here it is positive charge. Here double bond. Here double bond. This is. Next, this pi bond will shift here. Then one more resonance structure we will get. Here double bond, C O minus and H. And here positive charge, here double bond. Again this pi bond shifted to here. Then one more resonance structure we will get. Here already double bond is there, here double bond, here positive charge, here double bond, O minus and H. Now this negative charge will come to here, this pi bond comes to here. Then we will get one more resonance section, that is double bond already, double bond is there, double bond, C double bond O, H. These are the resonance sexes. What is this one? Sorry. These are resonance sexes. These are similar. So these resonance sexes, observe. Anywhere negative charge you got, only on oxygen negative charge is there. On this benzene ring we got only positive charge, there is no negative charge. Got the point? So electrophile can attack at which position? Where electron rich. Because electrophile means electron deficient. If it bond form, for example this hand is electrophile considered, this is also electrophile. Both are electron deficient. Bond formation possible? No. Because both are electron deficient. So to bond form, which is required? Electron rich required. Generally you know that nowadays girls can marry, those are rich persons. Generally, don't consider. So same thing. If both are poor means generally parents also will not accept it. Here also same thing. So bond formation possible when electron rich is there. Anywhere observe here positive charge, here positive charge, here positive charge. What are these positive charge position here? Ortho position. This is para position. This is ortho position. Now these are positive charge means electron deficient. At meta position anywhere we got the positive charge? No. Here there is no positive charge. At least we have to consider some electron rich part. This is meta operation. This is meta. It means this is benzene is there. This 1 respect to 4. This is para. These 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two are ortho. These two are meta. This is para. So at third and fifth position, what do you call meta position? So at third and fifth position, there is no any positive or negative charges there. But we have to think here a little bit. Electron density is present compared with the ortho para position. Therefore, when the electron withdrawing groups are present on the benzene ring, electrophile can attack at meta position. Keep in mind, not only this, only that. If NO2 group, anyone like this, any electron withdrawing groups are present, then always we will get the positive charge at ortho and para position, but not at the meta position. Therefore, the electrophile, incoming electrophile bond at meta position. This is clear? So now I can say here, this aldehyde and ketone are electron withdrawing groups. Therefore, electrophile E plus can form bond at meta position. This is clear? Now we can take one example. This is benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde when react with the HNO3, this is concentrated and this is concentrated H2SO4. You may be studied in the first year nitration mixture means this is only concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. Then we will get, this is as it is benzaldehyde on the right. In this reaction mixture, what is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. If you want, this is in mechanism you learned already in the first year. That's why I am not writing its mechanism. And also, sir, I explained in the halogen chapter also. That's why I am not explaining. So this is the electrophile. So electrophile can attack at which position? Meta position. This is the first position. Second, third and fifth are what we call meta position. This side and this side, no problem. Generally, we are written right side. NO2. So here one hydrogen and here one hydrogen is there. So totally in this water molecule also eliminated in the mechanism. So you may ask how it is. It is in the form of mechanism you will learn. I am not explaining any mechanism. Already learned in the first year also in halogen chapter also somewhere explain this in the chlorobenzene and in the phenol somewhere also like this their mechanism. So just keep in mind this is major product, this is byproduct here. And sometimes they may give in examination. Benzaldehyde react with this nitration mixture. What are the product possible? Or what is the product possible? Option A, orthonitro-benzaldehyde, para-nitro-benzaldehyde, meta-nitro-benzaldehyde, all equally formed. That is answer. Meta-nitro-benzaldehyde only the correct answer. Okay. Next. Now this is called nitration reaction. This reaction name what is called? This is nitration. It means nitro group substituted here. Next, sulfonation. Sulfonation SO3 will be substituted metafonation. This is benzaldehyde react with the concentrated H2SO4 or in some scheme that is called oleum. Oleum is what is it? H2S2O7 is also known as a fuming acid. All these common names you have to remember. This is comes in the second year inorganic chemistry. This name again we have to discuss. Oleum H2S2O7, very important. I think this time one question is asked in the NEET exam. Which of the following oxo acid having the sulfur-sulfur bond? Like so many options are given. In that 1 and 2, 2 and 3 like is given. So each and everything how to write the structure also will learn in the inorganic chemistry. In this totally, what is the intermediate in? This is called intermediate in this sulfur trioxide. Okay, what is the intermediate? Like this NO2 I told the intermediate, that is electrophile. Electrophile. This is. Here also this is electrophile because our heading was electrophilic substitution reactant. This is electrophile. So this electrophile bonded at which position? Meta position. SO3 already one hydrogen is there. At this position one hydrogen is there. Every carbon one hydrogen is there. Here also every carbon one hydrogen is there along with water molecule eliminated. So it is in the form of H plus eliminated. That's why electrophile can substitute another electrophile. This electrophilic substitution reaction is. Okay. Now take the one halogen for example. This is benzaldehyde. Take the bromine in presence of Al or FeBr3, FeBr3. In presence of Lewis catalyst only, this substitution will take place at on the Benyon ring. If this catalyst is not there, then this reaction will not take place. So Lewis acids are compulsory required. CHO and here Br. Here one H, one Br. Both combined to form HBr by the way. So this is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Some other reactions are there other than this electrophilic. Now I am not related to this electrophilic substitution reaction. Like so many examples we can write. Now enough is that whatever is in the text that I have written here. Now other reaction other than this electrophilic reaction. Now take one acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde react with the PCl5. When it react with the PCl5, already somewhere I told you that compulsory byproduct in inorganic chemistry also or organic chemistry also. When PCl5 is there, what is the byproduct form? POCl. If you remember that, 10 minute what we can write here. Now see, CH3C. Here no oxygen. Here oxygen is there. That oxygen gone. When oxygen gone, means what is there? This Cl will be bonded to this carbon. How many bond form oxygen? 2 bond. So chlorine can form how many bond? 1. So 1 oxygen out means how many chlorine in? 2 chlorine will be in. So here 1 chlorine, here 1 chlorine. This is H. Otherwise it is represented like this: CH3, CH, Cl2. Okay. This is geminal or vicinal? Geminal. On same carbon, 2 halogens are the geminal dihalide. Sides, it means adjacent you said carbon, two halogens are there. It means side by side carbon, halogen present. That is called decision. Okay. If you take the ketone, CH3C double bond O, CH3 react with the PCl5. Same oxygen will be out because of byproduct. What is the POCl? Then immediately here CH2Cl, Cl, CH. Next, another CH3, C double bond O, H react with the HOCl2. This is called thionite chloride reaction. This is you studied in the halal chapter as a Darjan's reaction, very important reaction for BUC. But that is react with the alcohol. Here aldehyde is there. Okay, Darjan's reaction, you know that alcohol react with the thionite chloride. This is called thionine chloride. Names important when you write a statement. Now here also same. Actually it is SO and O, it form SO2 and HCl form. These are the byproducts when thionine chloride is there. Then now write the product CH3, C. How many chlorides are there? Or two chlorides will come here. So this product will not form down here. This is Cl and here Cl and H. Okay. If ketone is there, then you can write down the product. I am giving this is for you. Ketone react with the SOCl2. Then this is compulsory. SO2 gas eliminate, gas generally eliminate out. So you can write this product here. Okay. Now, one more reactions are important. I think in textbook not that, but competitive example CDD level little bit they are asking with respect to that question. So that I will explain it. Up to here, I hope maximum part is completed. Now, take this is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde will react with the 3 moles of concentrated H2SO4. Another is 4 moles of acetaldehyde react with this concentrated H2SO4. Next, we will see next another. So here 3 moles is there. Concentrated H2SO4 means what is it? One of the dehydrating agent, water removing agent. From this water molecule removed. How it is given carefully over CH3 CH. CH3 CH. CH3 CH. How many molecules are there? 3 molecules are there. Then it undergoes cyclization. Here generally when H2SO4 uses that removes the water molecule. Total how many oxygen will get? 3 oxygen. But here it undergoes cyclization. Like this. Okay. For mistake. Like this here O, here also O, CH and CH. Like this. 1, 2, 3 molecules. It undergoes cyclization. This is called paraldehyde. This is called one of the hypnotic drugs. Hypnotic. It means to induce sleep. Again, actually you learn this hypnotic and antibiotic, antiseptic, all this in the chemistry in everyday life chapter. But after this corona situation, that chapter is totally removed for this year. Actually, it is there in our syllabus, but 30% of syllabus is reduced. In the reduced syllabus, this total chapter is removed. Hypnotic induces sleep. Next, this is 4 moles. In this 4 moles, CH3, CH, CH, CH3, O, CH, CH3, O, CH, CH3. See how many are here? One only है, second only है, third only है, fourth only है. Total 4 moles is there. Then this is called metaldehyde. This is called metaldehyde. This is used as a solid fuel. This is used as a solid fuel. But students generally confuse with this. 3 moles, 4 moles. 3 mole form paraldehyde, 4 mole form metaldehyde. Okay? See, in metaldehyde, what if you remember? M how it is? 4 lines are there? How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So 4 mole participate. For remembering purpose, it is not actually in the textbook. For remembering purpose. So if 4 mole participate, remember, then what will form? Metaldehyde form. Other you will remember metaldehyde in this how many lines are there? That many molecules participate. Its opposite is the paraldehyde. Okay? And how it is useful? If not everywhere. In this P is there, here in this word also P is there. Like remembering purpose, these are not necessary. How to remember for competitive exam purpose. Okay? And the last and final is here on your side. Now acetone, 3 moles of acetone. These 3 moles of acetone react with concentrated H2SO4. Then it forms like this. How many are there? 3 moles. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3, 9 carbons. Here benzene is 6, 7, 8, 9. Oxygen not there, water molecule removed. Water molecule removed here. So total you can calculate here. How many hydrogens are there? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 for one molecule. For 3 into 6. How much? 18. But 18 is present not check here. Here 3, 3, 3. Total 9. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Total 3. Then how much is there? 12 is there. So remaining is there. Removed as water molecule. Remaining hydrogen. Oxygen also out and hydrogen also out. This is called mesithyl. Somewhere I given mesithyl oxide. That is mesithyl oxide. This is mesithyl. But student will confuse here. One thing is there. This acetone, 2 moles react. CH3, C double bond O, CH3, dry HCl and heat. Then which is formed? Mesithyl oxide. 3 moles acetone react with the dry HCl and heat, which is formed 4-one. Already given the organization reactions. Remember once check. But here what is there? Dry HCl. But here what is there? Concentrated H2S. Then it is mesithyl. It is aromatic compound. These are normal compounds. Okay. With this, I hope all that aldehyde ketone complete explanation is completed. Remaining completed example, some equations are there. That is I am not explaining here. Maximum, what is there in the PhD? That extended part I explained. And some other are there, that is not there in our syllabus, but competitive example is important. When you come to the college, that I will explain all the every equations. So this is about the aldehyde ketone. Next class we will discuss about carbonyl acid.